Do you feel like you don't speak enough French? That you need to know more words? Then stick around. With these lessons, you'll pick up some of the most common words in just a few minutes. Now, this video is a small portion of our learning program. To get the full lessons, translations, and Fluency Fast study tools, click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account.
Être, to be or not to be. Être ou ne pas être. What do you want to be when you grow up? Qu'est-ce que tu veux être plus tard? Or, qu'est-ce que tu veux être quand tu grandiras? Avoir, to have. Don't forget that verbs in French are conjugated, so it's a pain to learn. You never use avoir by itself. I have, j'ai. J'ai des cheveux bruns. I have brown hair. Faire, to do. Faire, something, like faire du vélo would be like to bike, but you are doing bike. Faire la cuisine, to cook, to do the cooking, or something like that. What do you like to do? Qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire? If you are asking for hobbies, tell me what you like to do in the comments, watchers. Dire, to say. Je dis beaucoup de bêtises. I say a lot of silly things. But that's why you like me. What can I say? Qu'est-ce que je peux dire? I don't know. Pouvoir, can. Yes, you can. Oui, nous pouvons. Oui, nous pouvons. Can you do a Rubik's Cube? Est-ce que tu peux faire un Rubik's Cube? Tchaka. Voir, to see. I can't see anything. Je peux rien voir. Boo. Peekaboo. You cannot see me. On ne peut pas me voir. Yeah. Vouloir, to want. I want to rock right now. Je veux rocker maintenant. Je veux rocker maintenant. Sounds so lame. I want candy. Je veux des bonbons. What do I want? Everything. I want lasagna. Je veux des lasagnes. I'm not Garfield. Venir, to come. Tu dois venir t'amuser avec nous. Please come play with us. Come to Mundo. Ta-da! You can come with us. Tu peux venir avec nous. It's the way French people will invite you. So yeah, sure, come. Ouais, viens. Devoir, must. Devoir is also homework because it's something you must do. It also means duty. It's an eclectic word. You can use it for so many things. You have to do your homework. Tu dois faire tes devoirs. Je dois faire la vaisselle. I have to do the dishes, or else it stinks. Prendre, to take. You can take the train. Prendre le train. Or you can take something. Prendre quelque chose. You can take your time. Prendre son temps. Lazy. Trouver, to find. I found something. J'ai trouvé quelque chose. It's a bottle of water again, because that's my only prop for today. Yeah, I found the solution. J'ai trouvé la solution. Did I find the solution? No, I didn't, because Meg messed it up. Red should go here, and you have the cross. Then you do the next one. J'ai trouvé de quoi manger. I found something to eat. Finally, I won't be starving anymore. Donner, to give. To give money, donner de l'argent. Please give money to Leah. Donner un cadeau for someone's birthday. To give a present. Falloir, need to. It's more have to than need to. Need to. I need to do my hair. Il faut que je me coupe les cheveux. Il faut que je pense à une phrase. I need to think of a sentence. This one it fits. Parler, to speak. You can speak a language. Parler une langue. Speak French. Parler français. My chair is squeaky. And my spoon is too big. Je te parle plus. I'm not speaking to you anymore. Super. Awesome. Awesome. You guys are awesome. Vous êtes super. So awesome. Trop super. It's awesome. C'est super. I'm awesome. Je suis super. What's awesome to you? Leave a comment. À bientôt. See you soon. Yeah, it already ended. See you soon. No, it's not. Okay, whatever. So à bientôt is just see you soon, and you can say it when leaving your friends. À bientôt. Anytime you would use see you soon in English, same way. Le pain, bread. French people love their bread. J'aime le pain. I like bread. To cut slices of bread and put ham and cheese on top. Couper des tranches de pain et mettre du jambon et du fromage dessus. Ham and cheese bread slices, yummies, with butter in between. Bien sûr, mon petit chou. Of course, my little sweetheart. This is making me shy again. Now my cheeks are red. It's not because I'm sunburned or anything. Petit chou is actually my little cauliflower. Isn't it so cute and smelly? If the wife asks the husband, "Oh, can you buy me a new car?" And the husband be like, "Of course, my little sweetheart. Bien sûr, mon petit chou." Bonjour, hello, or hi. You say it usually in the morning, or any time of the day is actually fine. Bonjour, comment ça va? Hello, how are you? Ça va. It's okay. You can say bonjour, comment ça va? Hello, how are you doing? Ah, ça va. Or ça va bien. Ah, I'm okay, or it's okay, I'm fine. Sourire, smile. I like your smile. J'aime ton sourire. Some guy once said to me, "Your smile looks so sincere." Ton sourire a l'air tellement authentique. Ah, cheesy. So cheesy. Where is the smile? Show me that smile. Où il est le sourire? Montre-moi ton sourire. We say that to little kids when taking a picture. Français, French. You guys use French as one of your favorite words. Of course it is, or else you wouldn't be learning it. Je suis française. I'm French. Ou parler français. To speak French. Le français, c'est chouette. French is nice. Homme. Man. So, homme, man. Le chien est le meilleur ami de l'homme. Dog is man's best friend. Oh, who is the doggy? Who is the doggy? Who is the fluffy doggy? Doggy. I should stop doing the doggy. Ami. Friend. Ami. Friend. Best friend. Mon meilleur ami. I like hanging out with my friend. J'aime traîner avec mes amis. When I was little, I didn't have friends. Quand j'étais petite, je n'avais pas d'amis. So sad!
Want to speak real French from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at FrenchPod101.com.
Merci, thank you. Anytime you receive something or someone was nice to you, merci, thank you. C'est quand votre anniversaire? When is your birthday? Quand est ton anniversaire? If you want to be a bit casual. Ou quand est ton anniversaire? When is your birthday? Aimer, love. Tiens, tiens, little heart with tiny horns. I should do it like that. I love you. Je t'aime. No, I'm shy. To love someone. Aimer quelqu'un. Do you love someone? I do. Yeah, I'm gonna hide in here. I love platypuses. J'aime les ornithorynques. They are so random, right? You like random animals. I love them too. Même, even, same. Même, even, or same. C'est le même. It's the same. Doing it the same way. Le faire de la même manière. Mer, sea. Mer, sea. The boat on the sea. Un bateau sur la mer. I used to live on a boat on the sea. True story. Ah, there is this song about the sea. La mer qu'on voit danser le long des golfes clairs. The sea that we see dancing along the clear coast. Or something like that. Tiens. Allez, to go. Just go. Va-t'en. Go away. You don't use it with French people. They're gonna get mad at you. Go walking, aller se balader, or go in the kitchen, aller à la cuisine. To go on a trip, aller voyager. Pourrions-nous avoir le menu, s'il vous plaît? Could we have the menu, please? Usually you have to ask for it. Sometimes the place is very crowded, so ask. Le menu, s'il vous plaît? Could we have the menu, please? Où as-tu appris le français? Where did you learn French? Où as-tu appris le français? Where did you learn French? On French Pod 101 with me. Yeah, where did you learn French? Leave me a comment below. Maybe in your home country or on the internet, or did you study it more seriously in school? So just tell me. Bon, good. Bon, good. This meal is so good. Ce plat est trop bon. Or, oh, that's good. Ah, c'est bon. Or it also means, yeah, it's okay. C'est bon. Avez-vous des plats végétariens? Do you have any vegetarian dishes? If you're vegetarian or vegan, there will also be a sign very often on the menu saying this dish contains no meat, or this is vegan safe, it's made with no animal grease or eggs or milk. Pourrais-je avoir l'addition? Could I have the check? Pourrais-je avoir l'addition, s'il vous plaît? Could I have the check, please? Qu'avez-vous dit? What did you say? Qu'avez-vous dit? Or you will often hear pardon or excuse me. Like I'm sorry, like I didn't catch you. So pardon, excusez-moi. Or can you repeat? Pouvez-vous répéter? So if French people say that to you, just try and repeating what you said. Désolé, sorry. Ah, I'm sorry. Ah, je suis désolé. Like you made a mistake and be like, ah, désolé. For example, when you bump into someone in the street or in the train, you can say, ah, pardon, instead of désolé. Désolé is more serious, like if you make a mistake, and désolé is more sense of regret. Je suis désolé. I'm sorry. Nouveau, new. Nouveau, new. It's brand new. C'est tout nouveau. Pourriez-vous me donner un rabais? Could you give me a discount? Un peu moins cher? A little bit cheaper? This is again if you go to flea market, and especially on Sundays, you will have a bunch of sellers selling stuff from their homes. You can negotiate the price a lot over there. And getting an item half price is really common. So you can un peu moins cher. Ou est-ce que je pourrais avoir un rabais? S'il vous plaît. Give me a discount, please. Or make it cheaper. A tiny bit cheaper. Okay, more cheap, even cheaper. Way cheaper. Okay, give it to me, free, now. Blanc, white. Blanc, white. I'm wearing a white shirt today. Je porte une chemise blanche aujourd'hui. Or clouds are white. Les nuages sont blancs. Père, father. Père, father. I like my father. J'aime mon papa. Un père de famille. The family's father. Meaning he's like the head of the family and all responsible and hardworking and providing for everyone. Good daddy. Passer, to pass. On lui passe un truc, to pass something on. Also work in sport. Pass, pass, pass. But I won't catch it. I did! Parlez-vous anglais? Do you speak English? French people aren't really good at speaking English, but they will try their best. So if you find someone and cannot express yourself in French properly and ask them, parlez-vous anglais? Do you speak English? They may say, no, not that much, but no, je ne parle pas beaucoup, ou je ne parle pas anglais. Plein, full, plein, full. C'est plein de joie, it's full of joy. Ooh. Je peux utiliser, may I use something, something? So fill the blank with whatever you want. Can I use your pencil? Je peux utiliser ce stylo. Oui, oui. Je suis désolé. I'm sorry. Ah, yeah, if you bump into someone, you can also use this one. Like, oh, je suis désolé. If I bump into somebody, they won't wake up, duh. Moon don't go where it pleases. Yeah.
Terminator is more like this.
I'm sorry. Je suis désolé. Pourquoi? Why? Why? Pourquoi? C'est vrai? Really? C'est vrai? C'est vrai? Oh, fine. So, if you're hearing gossip and stuff, you're gonna be like, oh, c'est vrai? No, no, c'est vrai? Oh, c'est vrai? Really? Yeah. And you can use it with all the intonations. C'est vrai? C'est vrai. So the opposite of c'est vrai is c'est pas vrai. No, it's not. Or not really.
Remember, here's what you can do to learn all of these words by heart. Drill these words with our spaced repetition flashcards, which will help cement these words into your long-term memory. Save them to the word bank, your personal vocabulary collection, where you can print out your own study sheets, or review the words with our looped vocabulary slideshow, and play it until you know all of the words. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to get these lessons and study tools.